Did you notice the competition and attention for traffic and sales online right now is unimaginable? The fight for online attention, traffic, and sales has reached levels you've never dreamed of. Unbelievable, isn't it? And now, emerging technologies like AI are becoming mainstream, adding more fuel to the fire. It's not just adding to the competition, it's amplifying it. The fact is, you'll never be successful if you keep running behind overcrowded niches and methods. You know the ones I'm talking about. Those niches, methods that everyone and their mom are trying to tap into. It's a madhouse. It's not just about human competition anymore. You're up against machines now. They're fast, they're efficient, and they're adding to your struggle. The truth is brutal but simple. If you keep chasing these overcrowded niches, you're setting yourself up for failure. You need to change the game, and fast. You need to capture the untapped, the unconventional, and the unbelievable, where the competition is low and the profits are insane high. What if I tell you there is a niche like that and it's booming, growing at an unprecedented rate? It's YouTube's Kid Stories, a gold mine waiting to be explored.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing ViralTales AI application for you, and this one in a nutshell is the new AI app that makes you easy commissions posting little 2-minute kids story videos and exploiting a special YouTube secret without any skills, creativity, or budget. And with this you can create unlimited YouTube kids story videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions, and even beginners. Okay, so it's an amazing product from Rawat, and it's going live on the 7th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you the very dashboard area and the demo video which I'm going to play for you, and of course show you through the bonuses that I have for you, and of course the pricing for this amazing product. So I will encourage you to actually pay attention and see if this is going to be an application that you're going to require if you need to create kids story videos, which will the AI itself is synchronized in a way that is going to help you exploit unknown YouTube secrets. And you don't need any special skills, creativity, or budget for this one, because you are going to be putting these videos on social media, which is going to generate traffic organically for you. So it's a good one in my own assessment. And then let's see if we can go and take a look at the very video, and of course see if we can just go through the sales page ourselves and see if this is going to be for you. At any time you decide to buy this product in the course of the review, I will encourage you to use that first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to this amazing sales page, where you are going to find a button like this one, which is going to give you access to this. And now let's see some of the benefits captured in this very sales page. You said with this you can capture the untapped, the unconventional, and unbelievable. No competition in this highly profitable niche. And of course with this you'll be an early adopter of the first AI powered storytelling software. And of course this one saves you money, effort, time, and resources, because with this you don't need any complex tools or outsourcing any materials to anybody else to do for you as a freelancer. Everything is under one dashboard, and you have you benefit from the YouTube's favoritism of kids content, leading to millions of views and subscribers, and you can profit from the booming kids entertainment industry. You can also see almost instant results with this 3x framework and AI technology, and during launch period you buy it for only one low time price, and you have free commercial license, which allows you to sell kids story without creating viral created by this ViralTales AI. Okay, but these are the basic in a nutshell basic benefits that you have with this one. And of course it's a good one because kids stories these days, when it comes to videos, is such that so huge that you can actually make ends meet with this and create an income stream that will be so passive, because everything will be automated in a way, if you buy that upgrade, that you don't have to lift a finger you'll be making money sleeping. And of course, that is where wealth and success really comes from. Okay, now there are 3 basic steps to this. Select from the library of, for step 1, is to select from the library of this very application, which has pre-made templates. Copy and paste or craft a compelling and engaging kit story in just 1 click with this AI. And the second step will be the AI itself will then convert it to scenes, add tests, images, voiceovers, music, branding, and more to make it unique and engaging. And then you can hit generate, as you will see in the video of the demo video of this product in action. And then the third step simply means after this AI has put this in place, in minutes your high quality animated video stories will be ready to be shared on YouTube, attracting millions of views. And this you can also share on other major social media handles of yours. Okay, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you want out there, you will be able to do so. So I will leave the very perusal of this very sales page to you when you arrive here, so that you see exactly the kind of subscriptions you get from such videos, which has to do with kids. This one you have 3.51 subscriptions, 4 point something million subscriptions, 2.63 million subscriptions. You have 2.12 million subscriptions and 3.03 million subscriptions, just for telling fairy tales for videos for kids. So you see, it's a very huge market on YouTube, as you can see, for Kids Corner. Okay, so I will leave the perusal of the rest of the sales page to you, and at any time you decide to buy this product, like I said, you'll find a link that is going to give you access to it somewhere on the very page for this sales page. When you arrive there, by clicking that first link below in my description area, will bring you to this link where you are going to get a copy for yourself. Now let us see the very dashboard area and see if this is going to be for you. And I will play right after this. I'll play the demo video of this product in action, so that you see how it works. This is the dashboard. This is the link that gives you access to the various options, like creating videos for kids and other information you need. Unfortunately, I don't have access yet to the review access of this product, so I am going to play you the demo video. But let's see the buttons before we do that. Custom editor, AI art generator, thumbnail creator, which is very important to attract attention on YouTube. Okay, and then you have also background remover, you have agency, and image and video scaler. You have okay, image former, and you have offer and swipes in case you want to do auto responding with your newsletters. Okay, so let's actually play the video and we go from there. Okay.
Once upon a time, in a lush jungle near a sparkling river, there lived a brave little dinosaur named Timmy. Timmy was a young triceratops, full of energy and curiosity. he dangers that awaited him, but they couldn't dampen his idea about the treacherous river, advising him to be cautious. Undeterred, Timmy reached the riverbank, which gleamed like a mirror under the sunlight. He swam with all his might until he finally reached the luck. With trembling hands, he carefully opened the chest, revealing a dazzling collection of sparkling.
Welcome back to my channel, where I review IT products and training courses that are going to help you make money online. As you can see, let us now see exactly the very bonuses that I have for you, and then see the pricing. But before we go to my bonuses, let's see the pricing first. Here is the list of the pricing for this one. The front end, which gives you access to this dashboard, definitely goes for $17.95. Okay, and then that will give you all these capabilities that you see here. All these things will be done for you, like create unlimited YouTube kids story videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions, and of course even attract beginners. So now, and you can go on and on. It's a lot that you gain with that. And then you have the ViralTales AI Pro Edition, which is the OTO number 1, goes for $37, and you have everything basically unlimited. Create unlimited AI kid story videos every month, unlimited background remover, and AI art generator and voiceovers. Everything is basically unlimited. And now you have the OTO number 3, which is the done for you edition, goes for $127, and you have all this done for you. Everything about this done for you. You don't need to lift a finger. You have OTO number 3, which is the Viral Faces edition, goes for $47, and you have all these capabilities to go with it. You have, of course, AI Smart Reach, which is AI Multi-Marketer edition, goes for which is for OTO number 4, goes for $47 as well. You have the Reseller edition, OTO number 5, goes for $147. There you can resell the product as if it's your own, and of course upgrade pages. Okay, so it's an amazing and affordable software that you are going to use to create videos for kids, which you are going to sell, because it's a very huge market, as you can see. Okay, so with that said, now let's see the amazing bonuses that I have for you, so that we can make up your mind if this is going to be for you. Okay, yeah, Olex, this is the bonuses that I have for you, and you can see they are very much around. The number 1 bonus I have for you is the multi-level marketing secrets, which will teach you how to start from scratch and develop your business online profitably. The number 2 will be list building expert, which helps you build your list for marketing using your subscribers. Okay, now you have number 3 as internet marketing fast start, which will help you a lot as a beginner. You have number 4 as affiliate marketing secrets, very important because I'm an affiliate marketer myself. You have number 5, 30-day to bigger email list ebook, which is an ebook that is going to teach you how to create big email list for yourself, which makes you make money on demand. And you have number 6 as chatbot marketing mastery. You have number 7 as building the perfect sales funnel. You have number 8 blogging for profit, email list building blueprint, and also copywriting crackdown, which will help you with the prompts you need. And these are very crazy bonuses that will definitely help you a lot to attract the sales you need and make money online. And with that said, we will gradually wrap this one up, and I will encourage you to always like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon. But remember that this product is going live on the 7th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. At that time, the button I showed you before will be operational, so that you can pick up a copy of this software and create amazing kids videos, which you are going to post on YouTube to attract attention. And there you can also embed your other products that you want to actually sell, and you can get make money by views and other things that are connected with making money on YouTube owned by Google. So it's an amazing product, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.